Hi. In this video, we will quickly overview Pentair Intellibrite 5G White Underwater LED Spa Light 120-volt 18-watt 30-foot cord. At 18 watt, the new Pentair Intellibrite 5G White Spa lights provide the most energy-efficient lighting ever. White LED pool lights deliver superior light intensity and distribution, with no hot spots or glare, and offer pool owners long-lasting durability. With its custom reflector and unique lens design, the Intellibrite 5G light is the brightest and most efficient underwater spa light available. In addition, Pentair's Intellibrite automated controller is recommended for use with the Intellibrite color lights to allow light colors to automatically rotate. Features: a superior reflector design, 120-volt, 18-watt, and 30-foot cord, EasyTouch control system, energy effective, 100-watt equivalent. Read the instructions before installation and use. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.